Hello friends, have a nice day. Myself Prakash sir of Neit computer tutorial platform. Congratulate you to our YouTube video. This is an important video that I am going to present you. Very important abbreviations I have presented in this video. You have to check up to the end of this video and get detailed information about the abbreviations which will help you for interview, and any IT students, computer students, they will get information. Let us check all these questions one by one. What is the full form of BHIM? Bharat Interface for Money. What is the full form of NOTA? NOTA, NOTA. None of the above. The next question is, what is the full form of IMPS? This is a term related in banking application. Immediate payment service. Then question number 304 is, what is the full form of RTGS? This is also a banking related term. Its full form is real-time gross settlement. Then its next question is, what is the full form of NEFT? National Electronic Fund Transfer. National Electronic Fund Transfer. This is the full form of NEFT. What is the full form of IFSC? Indian Financial System Code. What is the full form of IRCTC? Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. What is the full form of SEBI? Security and Exchange Board of India. What is the full form of IPPB? Indian Post Payment Bank. The next question is, what is the full form of GSTN? Goods and Service Tax Network. Question number 311 is, what is the full form of UDAN? उड़े देश के आम नागरिक. What is the full form of DTH? Direct to home. What is the full form of PAN? Personal account number. What is the full form of ESN? Electronic serial number. What is the full form of Windows? We are using operating system Windows. Now let us check its full form. Wide Interactive Network Development for Office Work Solution. What is the full form of GPS? Global Positioning System. What is the full form of DVD? Digital Versatile Disk. What is the full form of BASIC? Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. What is the full form of BCR? Barcode Reader. What is the full form of BPS? Bits per second. What is the full form of AI? Artificial Intelligence. What is the full form of COBOL? This is a programming language, old programming language. Common Business Oriented Language, COBOL. What is the full form of FM? Frequency Modulation. What is the full form of MTNL? Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited. What is the full form of Linux? This is an operating system, multitask operating system. Lovable intellect, not using XP. What is the full form of Unix? This is also operating system. Uniplexed Information System. What is the full form of GSM? Global System for Mobile Communication. What is the full form of APK? Android Application Package. What is the full form of UF? End of file. What is the full form of NTFS? New Technology File System. Now these are the questions I have presented here. If you are new to our channel, then you have to subscribe, share and like our channel so that its notification you will get easily. Thanks a lot.